Tired of fumbling for your card or cash? Let's ditch the wallet bulk and get your Halifax card onto Apple Pay in seconds. First, locate the wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one with the card icon. Tap to open it. Now, look for the plus sign, usually in the top right corner or the middle of the screen. If your wallet is empty, tap that plus sign to add a new card. You'll now see a screen that prompts you to add a card. Select debit or credit card and then continue. The wallet app will ask if you want to use the camera to scan your card, which is the easiest way to input your card information. Position your Halifax card within the frame shown on the screen. The camera will automatically detect and fill in the card number and expiry date. Make sure the information is accurate and then hit next. If scanning doesn't work, don't worry. You can manually enter your card details. Just type in your Halifax card number, expiry date, and security code. After entering your card details, you'll be presented with the terms and conditions. Give them a quick read, and then tap Agree to proceed. To verify your card, Halifax will typically send you a verification code via text message or offer a phone call. Choose your preferred method. Enter the verification code you received into the wallet app. This confirms that you are the rightful owner of the Halifax card. And that's it. Your Halifax card is now successfully added to Apple Pay. You can start making contactless payments with your iPhone or Apple Watch. Enjoy the convenience and security of paying with Apple Pay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.